Oh, that looks pretty damn sick. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be installing these two arrow pieces I got for the back end of the Mustang. Just walking it all to the garage, you know. But anyways, I'm kind of off to a late start on this one. Had a couple other things to do today. And also I kind of cleaned out the garage. Kind of half the reason for a late start, not really. But I'm going to be replacing this with the GT350 spoiler, which is in the bottom box. Top box is the wicker bill. This is the second time installing the wicker bill. I actually, the first time, tried to do it with this stock one. Let me see if you can. So the first time, I just tried to do it this way. Can you see that? And just do it into the stock spoiler. Spoiler alert, you can't do that. It doesn't work very well. So I bought a second one, and second time's a charm, right? But yeah, it's not too hard. All right. So basically, I need to take out all this lining, and that's gonna be the first step, is just getting all this out, so that I can get that done. But let me strap this GoPro to my head and get to work. All right, so I'm gonna get the spoiler opened up here, take a look at it. I don't know why I thought for some reason I could use that one, but it is what it is. This is already pre-painted as well, so I don't even have to worry about that. The box came damaged, so it scared me a little bit, but whatever. This is the one I screwed up on. See how bad that is? Oh well. Alright. Lucky enough, this thing, when I screwed that up, that night, this was on sale. Only cost me $100 for this thing. 3M tape already on it. I see it's black, so we're good. I don't want to open it up and scratch it, but there's a sneak peek for you. Alright. Now, let's get on to getting this tackled, and so we can get this put on. I don't have anything to clean this up with. Well, guess I'm just gonna have to go to work taking off with my fingernails, so I'll be back in like 2 hours, and this will all be cleaned up. Man. All right, I'll be back in 5. All right, so I can barely feel my fingers now, but I got all of this crap off of here. So now I can get on to installing this. All right, so I am removing all the tape. I'm gonna lightly put it on there and start the screws so I make sure I've got exactly where I want it. Doing this with 2 people would be very helpful if you are doing this. Screwdriver, screwdriver, screwdriver. back. So I took a shower real quick while I was waiting. The SD card on this actually went out, ran out of storage, so I had to switch that over, and I took advantage and took a shower. Because as you can imagine, there's no cross breeze in here, so it gets hot. And then also, it is dark out, so bear with me on the lighting. I got the wing installed and everything. Looks sick. One thing still left to do is I've got to put the liner back in. I don't know how well you can see this. I got to put the liner back in, and then I'm gonna go out and get some photos of it for Instagram and a thumbnail, because why not? But anyways, give me just a moment. I'll try and film this. I don't know how well with the lighting right now I will get it filmed, but give me just a moment. Alright, I got it all back installed. I just want to say a big congrats to me. I did not lose one of these, which is usually the first thing I lose. But it's all installed and everything. I've just got to go throw some of these boxes away. And then I'm going to go off and get some photos with it. That way I can have a thumbnail for this and also get some for Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram already, I'll try and throw something on the screen. It'll be in the link below for sure. But anyways, I'm gonna get this done and then we're gonna head out on a trip. All right, I found the lighting. So I'm here to get a couple photos, but I've actually never taken photos here. I don't even know what this place is, to be honest with you. But hopefully you can see that a lot better. Probably should be facing towards the light, but hey. Oh, it looks so good. Looks so good. So this is the GT350 spoiler. Pretty simple to install. I would definitely find a better way of getting the residue off of the tape from if you have a previous spoiler. Super big headache, but it's on there, dude. That thing looks nasty. Oh, baby. That thing looks cool. I need to get it all cleaned up and everything, but I figured I'd wrap up the video like this. Also get a photo for Instagram, because I definitely need to. Wow, you can see all the fingerprints right there. Jeez. That is ridiculous. Look at all those fingerprints. But anyways, I'm not gonna ramble on. Next video, I'm not for sure what we'll be doing, but I also need to install the wicker bill on this. That was the other box. I just completely ran out of time today. I would have been able to do it if I wouldn't have had to get that tape off. That took forever. But yeah, I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, hit that like button. If you have not already, hit that subscribe button. And please leave a comment down below of what you want to see on the channel. And let's just keep on building this thing. This is pretty fun. I don't know how much farther I'm going to go with it. I think I'll be going a lot farther with it, but man, so much I want to do to this. But anyways, I am done rambling. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.